It rains a lot out here in Washington State, and originally we developed our paper for timber cruisers working in the soaking wet woods. 100 years later, we make hundreds of products used all over the world. You can use a pen, a pencil, or a permanent marker, and if something like this happens, you can rely that your notes are intact. These books aren't just weatherproof, they are job site tough. Here, I'll start my F-150 and I'll show you. Even after 365 pounds of torque, my Rite in the Rain book is protected, ready for the job site tomorrow. At the end of the day, you just want to get home, get the laundry going, and put your feet up. And right then, you realize you left your job site notebook sitting in your jeans, tumbling in the wash with all that detergent. At the end of a long day and through a load of wash, your Rite in the Rain notebook will keep your notes ready for tomorrow's job site. Rite in the Rain was developed on a single premise, that we'll protect your notes from whatever you or Mother Nature throw at us. Our products are tough, weatherproof, and made in the USA for 100 years. Whether you're going to use us in a heavy rainstorm or just your back pocket daily use, we guarantee the performance of our products. Don't believe us? Test it for yourself.